Behind a simple gesture lies a great technology. At Industria's Penalver, we've been innovating for more than 20 years. We're a leading company in the field of machinery production for metal packaging. Founded in 1988, Penalver has operated with international patents until obtaining a simple, safe and effective design. With a young and dynamic team and using the most advanced technology, all our machines achieve unprecedented speed and precision. With more than 400 units operating 24 hours a day in more than 30 countries around the world. Thanks to our state-of-the-art process and careful assembly by hand, we are able to manufacture all our products in an artisanal way in order to control the entire manufacturing process and obtain machines of the highest quality. Backed by our R&D department, which work with rigorous controls that guarantee standards throughout the manufacturing process. Our wide range of score repair systems for easy open ends with multiple formats and lining machines for shells with different shapes has enabled our Penalver brand to be present within the main metal packaging producers in the world. Penalver, technologically advanced.